Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know about a little trick of Excel. When you open your Excel file, it by default takes you to this screen. However, if you fed up of this screen and you want to go to this screen when you open the app, there is a trick. Come to the File menu, then to More, and click on the Option button, and then scroll it down and just in the Startup option menu, uncheck the second option, show the start screen when this application starts. So if I uncheck this and click OK and restart the program, it then take me directly to the Excel sheet. So thanks for watching.